The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a "Hey, quit looking at my ass. This ain't the time to be fucking around and shit. This is an excessive heat warning. This is not a nice spring day where you can frolic outside with your titties flapping in the wind. This means that heat index values will be in the 105 to 115 degree range. In other words, the second you step foot on concrete, your balls will melt right out of your sack. And guess what else? If you have to work or spend time outdoors, you are advised to not be a little bitch. Take some breaks or drink some water or some urine. What the fuck? Did you really just walk away from the TV? Now it's time to roast yo ass. I think you suck. Yo mama is so stupid that she tried to throw a tantrum. You smell like Barack Obama when he didn't wear cologne to the inauguration. I can't tell where your penis hair ends and your ass hair begins. You are like the Green Bay Packers of EAS recipients who are going to get beaten by the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, so you are just as bad as the Packers. You seem like an individual who was no fun at the Inauguration Day parade. Well, it looks like you're outside enjoying a nice COVID-19 heat-related illness, so my work here is done. During an excessive heat warning, make sure you check up on pets and the elderly. I'm not sure which one your mom is.